Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to learn about how to pass the parameters from TestNG.xml. When we are going to use this parameters to run this TestNG.xml file. See basically and we can able to declare some few of the parameters, and while running we can able to take that value and we can able to reuse to our script, right? And what will happen here, we can able to say like multiple browser you want to run, and multiple browser you written some code, but you want to run a specific browser while we are running the entire suite. That moment what will happen, we can able to declare which is the browser we want to run. For that we can able to pass from testng.xml file, and there we can able to pass the parameter that we can able to reuse to our local, or else we have some specific data naming, database connection, or else a database name, which database we are using, that we are can able to declare into there, and which kind of browser and which kind of driver we were using. Some data we can able to use into our parameters, and we can able to take it and we can able to run, and how we can able to pass that parameters into testng.xml, how we can able to access. See here in this parameter there is an option. Okay, these parameters we need to pass the name of the parameter, but before that we need to pass the testng.xml file place. There is a parameter before, after suit, and before test place we need to pass this line parameter, name of the parameter, and value. Here the which is the name value it is presented, that value we need to pass into the parameter place. See this one example only I'm going to show you. Now I'm going him here and I passed here, and I just importing these parameters. Okay, and I imported for two packages, and I'm going to create first suit in this class. Okay, now my is parameter test. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, right? Now I'm going to converting and that specific one only, I'm not going to create any other one, and here I'm specifying that para. Okay, I have my param.xml file. Okay, here I don't have class, and I'm going to create using this class value and just replacing for my class value, and here is my class name is parameter test. I'm just replacing my test. Okay, now if you see here there is a line which is presented for parameter options after suit, and before test we need to pass it and save, and this is the name we passed here. Okay, and if you run this testng.xml it will pass because we passed the name for, sorry, not this one, para, because the value is the same. Just I run and you can able to see pass method in question, it is pass the value, correct? Now both the places the value is passed and it is taken which is the value we passed, and and real time we are using some different concept also. Now I'm going to show you one more option like the parameter as a browser. I'm going to give here browser and test, and I'm going to use the browser, and here I'm deleting this one. See, in real time the browser what will happen if condition you are using browser dot equal ignore case and you are passing some browser Chrome. Okay, after if it is running Chrome we are need to raise the driver manager dot Chrome driver, and there we need to initiate for our browser web driver equal to new Chrome driver, and that Chrome driver it will launch that Chrome driver, correct? Now just I'm going to show you for dummy URL you code like Chrome browser. Okay, now another condition is else if, and here I'm going to show you like now here I'm going to show you Firefox. Now this is out Firefox. Okay, else it's out I. Okay, now this is the method I passed, and I'm going to use one more parameter and name it as name value is browser. I passed the name as browser, and I'm going to pass for Chrome. Now if I run, it will pass for Chrome related value. Now you can able to see here. Now invoke Chrome browser. It is passed for Chrome related value, and also we can able to change that Firefox whether it is taking or not. Also we can able to see. Now you can run again one more time. It will print for Firefox message to past. In this two also Firefox is presented. Correct. Now it is passed for Firefox related and Chrome related. And maybe you get some doubt here. If we don't have any browser parameter into a deep testng.xml, how? Means we have another option is a optional. Optional we can able to share. If we don't have any value from there, and it will take this optional value, and also you can able to mouse over this optional and testng.org annotation only optional is presented, and here we can able to declare Chrome. Okay, now here there is no parameter, browser is presented, but you are passed for I. Okay, Now if I'm going to run, it's maybe it is taking some value, and there is an option which is how it will create means db. There is a parameter named db. If the name is no param for name, okay, we can delete and see now. The method itself it is taken default value. Here you can able to see the test it is taken chrome and string one. It is taken normal parameters means if you are not passed any browser related parameters, then it will not, like if we are going to provide some optional, right? In this optional value it will take and it will execute this method. Means in case our parameter testng.xml place, if somebody deleted or we forgot to give that parameters, that moment we can able to use optional which we want to run default browser or default value to get it. That moment we can able to declare this optional one. In case in our browser if it is not presented, now we removed browser and we show, right? Now again we are going to do, right, return back, and here I am providing ia, okay, and I'm going to run this one. Sorry. If I run this one, what will happen? Again, it will take IE because the browser it is provided IE. It will check for the two values, and by default, it will take any one value. See, IE is there and is there. The two values it is passed. This is the way we can able to run our testng.xml file to passing the parameters, and we can able to access into our test methods using the right parameters. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.